When your Samsung device faces glitches or needs a software change, entering download mode is key. This mode helps with installing firmware using tools like Odin. In this video, we'll show you how to access it easily. Part 1. How to boot into download mode on Samsung via key combinations. Power off. Hold volume down, plus power, plus home, or Bixby until the warning. Then press volume up. For newer models, power off. Hold volume up, plus down. Connect to a PC release at the warning. Press volume up. Part 2. How to boot into Samsung download mode without errors. How to guide. Install and launch Android Repair on your computer after downloading it from below. Next, click on System Repair in the program window and connect your Galaxy device to the computer using a USB cable. Select Android Repair from the left panel. This tool will display all the Android issues it is capable of resolving. Simply browse through the options and click on Start. Input your Galaxy information on the subsequent screen and press Next to proceed. Manually enter 00000 into the empty field and click on Confirm. For Samsung devices with the Home button, power off the device and simultaneously press the Sprint, Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons for approximately 10 seconds. Release all buttons and then hold down Volume Up to enter download mode. For Samsung without a Home button, power off the device and press the Power, Bixby, and Volume Down buttons for about 10 seconds. After that, release all buttons and press Volume Up to enter download mode. Part 3. How to boot Galaxy into download mode using WebADB. Open WebADB in a Chromium browser. Enable USB debugging on your Galaxy and connect via USB. Click Connect in WebADB, then authorize the prompt. Go to Power menu, reboot to Samsung Odin or download mode. Part 4. How to boot into Samsung downloading screen via ADB commands. Download ADB tools. Enable USB debugging. Connect and unlock your phone. Open Command Prompt Terminal. Run ADB devices, then ADB reboot download. Part 5. How to boot into download mode on Galaxy via Samsung 300,000 tool. Install Samsung drivers and extract 300,000 tool. Power on your Galaxy until the logo appears. Connect your phone. Click the resistance icon to enter download mode. Confirm in Odin and Flash or Repair.